This is Chrissy. Chrissy loves this. Oh, come here, wait, Chrissy, wait. Okay, wait. Okay, ready? Okay, wait, ready? Okay, good girl, go. She got it. She loves these little dog treats. There she is. She's the star of the show. You see JAZBABY? She ate it. You see there? Say hi to JAZBABY. Hey, Jazz Bear. Oh, no. Okay. Today we are on numbers 5, 10, 15, 16. Push-up number 16 today. Chrissy just had her dog treat. She loves that dog treat. She's a good little watchdog around here. She's not my dog. She's my neighbor's dog. But we're friends. Alright, we're going to do 16 today. Here we go. Hold it, and 16. Alright, Jazz Bear, that's 16 for today. One extra one per week until we get to 101, I hope. That's the goal. Hey, Jazz Bear, how are you today? Today we're going to do something a little different. I'm going to show you how far I got on your Afghan so far. Well, you're going to love this. Sewed them together. They're double stitched, so they're going to be extra warm. Then I sewed them together like this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get each one of these strips and I'm going to sew them together. Look at all these. See? Tons and tons and tons of them. They're going to be sewn just like this. Then I'm going to put all those and sew those together. And then it'll be one big giant blanket. It'll be nice for a twin size bed. Just perfect for you. Perfect. It's going to weigh probably about, oh, I don't know, maybe about 5 pounds. Because it's going to be heavy. It's just double yarn. See the double yarn? That's what I'm doing now. That's how far we've got on your Afghan. I figure by the time you're maybe 10 years old, I should have this done. I hope so. Maybe for next winter. I hope I can make this for next winter to keep you very warm. Before you're even 10. Yeah, I hope so. I've been working on another one a little bit. I don't think it's as nice as this one. I'll show you. A friend of mine, she wanted one, so I'm making it. It's a lot thinner than yours, and it's like this. It's like a light pink and a dark pink, and you put it together. It's really lightweight and thin. This is more of a, I'd say, early fall Afghan or spring Afghan, or when it gets cool. Not real cold, but cool. Something to put on top of the bed, like a decoration maybe. So she wanted one of these. I don't know if I want to make this one even longer. I'm kind of deciding on that right now. If I want to, I can. Tell me what you think. Tell me if you think it's long enough. I don't know. I'll show you how it sits on the bed right now, how long it is. Right now it goes from about here to about there, and then when I add more border, it's going to be even longer. See that when I add the border to it, it's going to be at least maybe that much longer on each side, so total of about that much longer. Let me know if this is long enough for you. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 long. So 16 long. And it's going to be as wide as the bed. So let me know, okay? Okay, Jazz Bear, story time. When Mama Sarah was a little girl, sometimes we would get very happy about certain things. Other times she'd get very angry about certain things. That's normal though. We're supposed to show all of our emotions, right? Happiness, anger, sadness. We have a lot of different emotions. It used to make her very happy, and makes most kids happy, is something that you probably know about. What do you think it is? Can you guess what it is? Is there something that in the summertime, it only comes in the summertime, pretty much, maybe in the fall, it will go through the neighborhood, and it comes through one time a day, maybe 2 times a day, depends on what neighborhood you're in. And as it comes by, all the kids in the neighborhood get really excited, and they all start running home. Why do you think the kids are running home? What if they're running home because they need to get their spare change? Their quarters and their nickels and their dimes and their pennies, because they're so excited about something. You've probably already guessed it. This thing that comes by maybe once or twice, it plays music. Loud music, so all the kids in the neighborhood can hear it. Kids run home to see if they have spare change so they can get, you probably guessed it already, the ice cream truck. That's right. That's like a very special thing that comes through the neighborhood. And when I was a kid, I don't know if we might have had it, but I don't remember. I don't know, because when I lived in Hawaii, they already had those food trucks out, so we didn't really have to go to ice cream truck. We had the food truck after school, before school, mostly after school. They called Manapua truck. And the Manapua truck would be selling Manapua, and you could get like different things, rock salt plum, lihimui, stuff like that. Most people are like, what is that? It's like a little salted, sugary candy. It's not really a candy, it's like a fruit. Say like maybe it's like a little plum. So they get a plum, they shrink it down, like they dry it, and it turns into like not a raisin. It turns into like a prune, and then the prune has lots of salt or sugar on it, and it's dry, and when you eat it, it lasts a long time, and it's a fruit, so it's good for you. Especially good in the hot weather because of the salt. So I used to get that sometimes, but I really like the rock salt plum and the lihimui stuff. The best part is your mom. She would rush and yell, "Ice cream truck!" And she would run as fast as her little legs would carry her, and that was pretty fast because she was a very, very fast runner, and she was good at running a long ways. She was actually on the cross-country team for her high school, and she was good. I really liked the way that she ran. I didn't know she was so fast. One day we went out and we were running, and she just could go and go and go and go with her running. It's amazing. So anyway, she would go into the house and get her change from her little change area. Your Uncle William and your mama would make money by mowing the yards and shoveling snow, doing things like that. We didn't have a lot of money, and it didn't matter. A little was enough, especially because we didn't really want a bunch of things. The ice cream truck was a big deal. So your mom would go and get her change, and by the time she got her change in our neighborhood, that ice cream truck guy had already been booking. He was booking down that street. He didn't even stop, even though he seen the kids yelling, wait, I gotta go get my money. He would just keep going. It was just pure torture on those kids. But he knew what he was doing, I guess. I don't know. I think he just wanted to watch the kids go crazy and run up and down the roads. And well, your Mama Sarah, chase that guy down. She would run like a couple blocks over, and he wasn't going to get away from her. No, sirree. It was the funniest thing for me to watch, because she would come barreling into the house, ice cream truck, grab her money, run out there, chase down that ice cream truck guy. He wasn't getting away, not without her getting her ice cream. And then she would buy one or two things, and she'd come home and she'd always say, you want one? And it was so nice of her to ask me. That was so nice to share. I'd see her coming back from the ice cream truck, and she would have her ice cream open and she'd be eating it. She would have the biggest, happiest smile on her face. She had caught that ice cream truck. It was not going to get away from her, and she got exactly what she wanted. And there would be a bunch of other kids trying to chase after it too. You know, a lot of times they couldn't catch it. She could catch it, and she would keep it there until other kids got around to get their ice creams and stuff like that. She was something else. I really enjoyed that. It's so funny. You know, where you live, they had an ice cream truck when Mama Sarah and your Uncle Will were growing up. There was an ice cream truck there. I remember that, because they used to get ice cream in Detroit. The ice cream truck would come around. The music that they play on those ice cream trucks is so loud. You can hear it so many blocks over. When I was in Florida, that ice cream truck was horrible. That was like an ice cream van. Oh man, I would be like, ooh, kids, don't go by that. That's terrible. I don't even know how those people did that. It was like a scary, one of those wicked clown ice cream truck type deals. I never saw any kids going over to it, ever. So maybe their parents were like, don't even go near that truck. There's crazy clowns in there or something. We had an ice cream truck that used to come down our street, and they had some really nice music on that ice cream truck. I liked it. If you're like listening to different ice cream trucks, they all have like their own different kind of ice cream truck sound. They can pick what music they want to play, and some of them pick really, really good music, and you'll be like, oh, I know that song, and it'll be played on the loudspeaker. And then other ones will have like this really terrible, annoying music that you just want to run out of the neighborhood, and you do not want to go to that one. That was like the one in Florida. It was the ice cream truck clown van. So you see how I'm going on this? I have like a huge bag full of these. Did you run to the ice cream truck when it comes out? Did you go rushing out there? Do you like ice cream? Would you rather just go to like maybe Dairy Queen or Wendy's or McDonald's? We didn't have those kind of places when I was growing up. The Wendy's and the McDonald's and all that. I think McDonald's came around and I was like, whoa. No, they had actually a drive-in that came around, and you could get a hamburger. I think it was $0.25 or $1, and that was like a lot of money. $1, I think, for a hamburger. But the hamburgers were really, they were enormous. I think the hamburgers were like this big. I'm not sure if it was a Sonic burger. I don't know. If anyone out there knows, I mean, they know what I'm talking about. A gigantic hamburger. It's the first time I ever saw that stuff. Where's my scissors? Oh, I was living in Missouri, and that's the first time I ever saw a fast food restaurant. The other times they had diners, but we didn't really get to go to those because we had so many kids and not money for that. Growing up Irish, that's what it is. It's growing up Irish. So we just tuck this in. So I'm progressing on your Afghan. This winter's almost over, but next winter, I hope I have this done for you. I really plan on it. That's one of my goals, is to do that. We also have another goal of doing the 101. 101 push-ups. 101 Dalmatians, 101 push-ups, 101st Airborne. 101 seems to be the number for us, girlfriend. There you go. Finished it. I didn't finish the whole Afghan. I've got a whole bag I gotta do here, but it's a nice start. I love you, Jazz Bear. Whoa. Tell me. You've got to tell me if you go to the ice cream truck. Yes. You have to tell me that. I love you. I am so proud of you. You're doing so good in dance. I am so, so, so proud of you. Mama Sarah is proud of you too. She would be very, 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 very proud. I know she's proud of you. I know she is. I love you so much. Hey, Jazz Bear, look behind me. You see all those palm trees and the sunset? I hope you can see the sunset. It's red. Wow, look at that. You want me to zoom in so you can see it closer? Look at that sky. What do you think about that? Check out the palm trees and the... Wow. Isn't that beautiful? Fire in the sky. See those palm trees? So beautiful. I just wanted you to see that. Oh, and there's bats flying around. No, that's a bird. I love you, Jazz Bear.